Okay, don't be stupid like me. So I needed to change the battery on this 12-volt battery. So I looked at it, took this cover off, and I was there. This is all going to have to come out because the battery's not going to squeeze out through that size of aperture there. Anyway, next thing is take this out. So that and that need to slide out. So probably lift it like so and out. Okay, so where I made a mistake was I was still looking at the aperture and I started looking to take all these down and all that kind of stuff. I didn't realize you can literally just clip this off here. So the first thing on that is Phillips head down here. So you just want to open that, and then each one of them has a little clip in place. So you just need to separate them. Just pull it out. After that, then a 10 and a 10. Just disconnect that. And there's also two 12s down here. And that allows you then to disconnect everything and take out that clamp. So once the new battery's in, clamp back on, and then reconnect pipe and positive and negative terminals. So screw clips back in, or sorry, this plastic section clips back into place, screw down through here. Anyway, the whole idea of the video is you've got a cover there you can take off, whereas the first time I looked at it I thought all this section has to come off. So hopefully you find it useful. Thanks for watching.